Okay, in this video, we're going to talk through question 4 on paper 1 for Edexcel English Language. This question is worth 15 marks and asks you to look at the whole text. Remember, it's a really good idea to revise which assessment objective each question examines before the exam, so you know how best to answer. Paper 1 question 4 assesses AO4, which is your ability to evaluate texts critically. So let's have a look at how you'd answer this type of question. First things first, read through the question. In this example we have, in this extract there is an attempt to show the castle is mysterious. Evaluate how successfully this has been achieved. So, to make it easy to stay on track, it's useful to circle or highlight the focus of the information you're after. In this case, you should highlight, castle is mysterious, so you know to look for how successfully this is shown in the extract. Remember, for question 4, you have to write evaluatively about the text. So, as part of your revision, it's worthwhile practicing using evaluative language in your writing. Evaluating means making a judgment. So when you're writing about the text, you should use words and phrases that show your views. For example, things like, the writer powerfully shows, or the idea is effectively presented. Evaluative language should be balanced, though. Aim to make points along the lines of, while the writer clearly suggests this, they also present that, and this will help you to get the higher marks. Although this question asks you to look at the bigger themes and ideas within a text, you still need to use quotations to support your ideas. This is mentioned explicitly in the question, but some people do forget. Before you start to answer the question, try to mentally rank on a scale of 1 to 10 how mysterious the castle is, and then identify the parts of the text that have helped you to come up with that score. Remember, although you don't have to agree that the writer has been successful, it's usually easier to answer that they have. So going back to the question, if, for example, the text says, the castle is not on the map, the shadows over the moon keep hiding it from the narrator's eyes, and no one in the area will talk about it, these things help to make the castle seem extremely mysterious. So the writer has been successful. You then might want to start your response with something like, the writer is extremely successful at showing the castle is mysterious by revealing that it did not appear on any map, despite its vast exterior walls. This would seem very strange to the reader, as castles are typically landmarks, so the fact that this castle has not been documented would easily create a sense of mystery and confusion around it. Notice that in this opening, phrases like extremely successful, very strange, and easily create all help to show a critical judgment about the text. It's important that you sustain this evaluative tone throughout your response. Okay, we'll leave it there. To sum up what we've covered, to be successful on Edexcel Paper 1 Question 4, you need to focus on how well something has been achieved. You need to use evaluative and opinionated language, and you must select relevant quotations from the text to support your points. It'd be worth practicing what we've just walked through with an actual exam paper so you can see how it works and try it out for yourself. Why not use the Edexcel style paper that's attached to this pod? Good luck!